Welcome back, everybody. It is Selly, and it is time for another Bat Cove 390 update for Boston Yachts. I've lost track of which one this is, where we are in that line, but here we go, guys. The team is hard at work on this one here. We've got all of our engine cowlings down here right now, and that's because we are doing the Lumishore engine lighting. So you can see right here, we've gone ahead, we've had to open up some holes right there, but we'll get that all, obviously sealed up and all done nice. And you see we actually have the harness right here with a plug. Why do we do a plug? If you're going to do engine lighting, you got to make sure it's easy to disconnect as well. And with these new style Merc cowlings here, with this lift hatch right here, we go ahead and we put the plug simply right here. So you can kind of take a look right there, guys. Makes it really easy. Anybody comes in here, you open this handle, you unplug this, you can pull your cowling off very easily. So we've got all that going on there. You can see we've got boxes upon boxes of Sea-View goodness. We're gonna go ahead and start assembly of that Sea-View mast this week, get that all assembled and start putting things together for the hardtop. But before we jump up there, guys, down here still, underwater, more lighting, the SMX 154 underwater lights. We have 4 of those going on here. We've got them obviously transom and then between each motor and going over to there. So it's gonna give us a really nice color spread and color spectrum on there. So let's hop on board here and let's see what else we got going on as the team has been hard at work. See here, first thing we notice when we get on board, the motors, you see these white wires, obviously they still have to be dressed and run through there, but that is coming up out of our rig tube right here, and that is for our cowl lighting. So if we take a look over here, you'll see the wires all done up, everything's all nice, and then there's our plug right there. So we can go ahead and pull that out, and now everything's all good, it's all serviceable. We need to leave enough length in there to make that all work. So now, we're going to hop down into kind of the unassigned machinery space, if you will, here. So take a hop down, and we're going to notice one of the first things, as we spin around this side here, we've got our Xantrex solar controller, charge controller right there. That's because this boat is getting solar panels on its hardtop, because this boat is going to be living on a mooring. We want to give it its best chance to make sure that it has good power for everything. You can maybe leave refrigeration on from time to time, things like that. So we've been doing a lot more of these solar panels, and we're doing that with Xantrex and their charge controller, like you can see right there. Very easy to access. This boat is also getting Siren Marine. Because it lives on a mooring, we want to make sure we can monitor things like the bilge pump and the batteries and the chargers and all those kind of things. Well, we've gone ahead and Corey's got this all mounted up in here. So I take a look underneath here, guys, and you guys can see right there, we've got our Siren Marine system all set up. Kind of pan around, we've got our breakers for everything else right there. Everything's all nicely labeled. So we've got that going on right there. And then let's see, what else do we have going on here, guys? Oh yeah, courtesy lights, more Lumishore lights, right? So we've got those going on there. As you start to see, all of those have been changed out along the way. You can see you actually got the under gunnel lighting there, kind of getting that all dialed in. That's why it's kind of strobing like that right now until we get the things all dialed in. And then we make our way inside the boat here. You can see we've got all of our wires for the hardtop. Everything is all set up, ready to go, including our Starlink cable here, our charge wires for the solar panel. We've also got all of our Lumishore lights in here. All of those are now coming online, and we're getting all of this stuff buttoned up here. We've talked about the unassigned space with everything down in there. We're going to show you more of that as that one gets wrapped up here, but things are humming along. Next step on this, like I said, it's going to be hardtop, guys. It's going to be doing solar panels, doing the Sea-View mast, doing Starlink, 8-foot antennas, all that fun stuff. So you know the deal, but I got to say it anyway. Make sure to give us a like, follow, subscribe, share on YouTube and Instagram at Navtronics to stay up to date and in the know. If there's anything about this build you guys want to know about, or past builds or anything like that, leave it down below in the comments, and let's see if we can get you guys taken care of. Until next time, guys, peace.